स्वागत है आपका रेसलिंग बकचोद में। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं बकचोदी।
Welcome to Wrestling Bakchod. This is Kevin. My name is Willis. And in today's news we have SummerSlam may be cancelled.
ये तो बहुत बड़ा न्यूज़ है क्योंकि समर स्लैम अभी इतना हाइप है। ये समर स्लैम तो अगला रेसलमेनिया बनने वाला था, और जो कोविड केसेस जो बढ़ रहे हैं यूएस में, यूरोप में, तो परफॉर्मेंस सेंटर जा सकता है समर स्लैम।
Performance Center, you're right, but अभी तो wrestling enjoy करना चालू किया with the fans back. And yes, as you said, COVID cases are increasing, and as per what Sportskeeda has published in their article, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? They have a क्या बोलते हैं? No, they have a rule now where they won't allow any mass gathering. So it's not that everything is going under lockdown, but they're going to stop mass gathering. So which means that no stadium shows, no events. It's very sad actually, especially with AEW, going so big.
That's I agree to the point that they going to the performance center again. AEW getting the big hype, the big names, everything going under a lockdown. But the thing is, you cannot go against the government. So basically, what will happen in the next few days or in the month to come is we don't know that whether the audience will be allowed. So, like for me, SummerSlam going to the performance center will be a big hit to WWE.
It will. I was actually more worried. Not worried, you can say, but I was very disappointed because with all this news about CM Punk coming back and Daniel Bryan, and the main thing that you want to see is the pop that happens. Like the crowd going fucking crazy when it happens. And we won't just get to see that anymore.
I'll agree to that because these are big names in wrestling world. You talk about CM Punk, you talk about Daniel Bryan. These are the wrestling legends. I can say they are the future Hall of Famers. But I would say we cannot go against the government. So I think
we are not going against the government.
I mean,
nobody is fighting against the government.
The rules that are there. So it's sad. It's really sad. SummerSlam going back to the performance center. AEW going to Daily's place. But comparatively, if you talk about AEW and WWE, even during the lockdown, AEW did a better part of bringing their wrestlers, cheering up, giving you the feel of that audience rather than the background sound.
What you said is right. The feel of the audience matters. So what we have for SummerSlam right now, we have Roman Reigns versus John Cena, which is confirmed, of course, and
Bill Goldberg. Like, come on, you cannot forget that name.
It's like Bobby Lashley fighting his grandfather, but okay, Goldberg is a big star, and
it's not the grandfather. It's just like, you're next. That's what it is.
Yeah, I mean, they can just put that on a t-shirt and probably. Nikki Ash will be going against triple threat matches.
Charlotte. When you talk about this triple threat, SummerSlam, this is just my, this is what I think. That's my opinion. This is not confirmed news or something. Is it Charlotte going to get the title? And we hear the man back.
The man, I don't know whether there's any storyline currently prepared for her, but for what I know and what I've been reading online is right now WWE has no plans for Becky Lynch. It's basically nothing. She's just she's backstage on most of the events. She's normally there. And that's about it. Well, one more match which was confirmed was the Mysterios versus the Usos. Which I sometimes just wish that the Usos are in AEW. Imagine the fucking dream matches that they would get to have over there.
Usos versus the Young Bucks.
Yeah.
What a match. I would call it the match of the century if this happens.
Usos, Young Bucks.
Yes. I mean, like everybody is waiting for it. And if you are a wrestling fan, please, I want you to, put your comment down there if you agree with me. Usos versus the Young Bucks. Will you agree with me for the match of the century?
Of course, they have to agree with you. There's no fucking bigger match, I think. But But that's like that forbidden door which will never get touched or whatever.
That only time will tell.
Yeah. What we have next? What we have next in the news is Ruby Riot. She's with now she goes by Ruby Soho, and she'll possibly be joining AEW.
That is again a big news, considering AEW women's talent. It's only DMD actually, you know. And then there is no names. You can talk about the names there of the other female wrestlers, but then come on, you
I
need
mean,
to
they-
elevate those talents.
They do have talent, but when you say talent, it doesn't show on their weekly shows. You have a match here and there. Where Thunder Rosa versus Britt Baker was an amazing match. But yeah,
Class apart.
with Ruby Riot coming here, what will happen is there's a name that's coming. There's a name which people know, and then
Hype.
and people will be like, oh, Ruby Riot. It's just like CM Punk or Daniel Bryan coming, not that massive, but you know, it
No,
just
yeah,
happens.
this will help the women's division there, because you cannot carry on one name throughout. It's a company. It's a division that has all of its own importance. You cannot just keep one wrestler carrying all the women's in that division. No doubt they've given good matches, but dum चाहिए.
Yeah, so
अगर मैं
as-
wrestling fan हूँ तो.
As per the news now, she's on a 90-day no compete clause.
Clause.
And once that gets over, probably after All Out or something, she should be in there.
होपफुली ऑल आउट से पहले अगर उसका क्लॉज खत्म हो जाए, होपफुली अभी एग्जैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन तो है नहीं, बट अगर वो एंटर करती है ऑल आउट पे, कंसिडरिंग सीएम पंक रैम्पेज पे आ रहा है, दैट विल बी अमेजिंग अगेन, कंसिडरिंग द लॉकडाउन सिचुएशन की यू नो ऑडियंस हो वहाँ पे, तो मतलब ये नेक्स्ट लेवल गेम हो जाएगा. और अगर मैं ये सब बात कर रहा हूँ तो चलो समर स्लैम को भी मैं कंसिडर करूंगा. अगर ऑडियंस है, बिग नेम्स कमिंग इन, जॉन सीना, गोल्डबर्ग, यू नेवर नो, अगर रॉक भी आ जाए वहाँ पे, तो ये रेसलमेनिया वर्जन 2 हो जाएगा इस साल का.
It's just a good time for wrestling actually. If you go
Yeah,
see
it's good
everywhere.
time.
And finally, we have Cody Rhodes might be retiring. I was like, what the fuck? You just have Malakai Black assault you to go to have Dynamite Warfare,
Yeah.
and then
Then you say goodbye.
You say goodbye. Okay, I understand. I think so. He has a TV show coming up which he's going for. So I wouldn't worry much about this.
ये मैं इसलिए करेगा कि अगर वो ये गिमिक जो है वो सिर्फ टीवी शो के लिए है, इट्स वेल एंड गुड, बिकॉज कोडी रोड्स द नेम गोइंग ऑफ द रिंग और वो बैक स्टेज भी रहेगा, ठीक है, नो डाउट कि ना वेरी गुड एडवाइस बैक स्टेज पे पुश करेगा टैलेंट को, बट इन रिंग में उसकी जरूरत है.
Actually, yeah.
like amazing matches.
In a way, yeah. But also that he's one of the face of AEW.
He is the one of the face or one of the pillar of AEW.
Yeah, yeah. And I mean, his whole role backstage, not only as an in-ring competitor,
With
but
Tony
also
Khan
backstage.
giving the
booking these matches
booking
and-
the matches, yeah.
Actually, it's not even sucking up. I like all kind of wrestling, but AEW has been putting out beautiful storylines from the time it started till date, continuously.
3 साल पहले
continuously,
किसको ना
yeah.
मालूम था कि AEW है. और अगर कोडी रोड्स का अगर प्रोमो देखे इस डायनामाइट का, तो उसने खुद कहा कि 3 साल पहले जब मैंने ये बात की तो लोग हंस रहे थे.
Yeah, he said that they used to call it an alternative, but it's no longer an alternative now. It's a
We are
competition.
competitors.
Yeah.
We are competitors in the market. तो
it-
ये टाइम पे कोडी रोड छोड़ के जाना, मतलब मेरे ख्याल से अगर ये बात सच है तो AEW का बहुत बड़ा लॉस है. एंड आई थिंक टोनी खान शुड वर्क ऑन दिस कि ये सिर्फ एक गिमिक हो. हम लोग होप करें कि ये गिमिक है वो शो के लिए, उसके जो भी रियलिटी शो आ रही है. But we need Cody Rhodes. I'm like, personally, yes, I want to see Cody Rhodes in the ring from my end.
That's well said. Well, that's all we have for you today. There was not much happening in the wrestling world apart from all of this that we covered. But yeah, there is a little bit here and there. SmackDown is there, and Raw coming up. And
Raw coming.
there's a lot of wrestling basically.
और भी खबरें आती रहेंगी हफ्ते हफ्ते. जब भी हमें कोई भी खबर मिलती है हम आपके पास आते रहेंगे.
Yeah, so you tune in here. We'll be dropping videos regularly. we don't have a time frame right
Time
now.
frame तो
of
नहीं है हमारे पास.
What, because we are trying to we're juggling our jobs and trying to do this. So and
तो ज़रूरत आपकी भी है हमें कि आप हमें सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें.
yeah, the more you like, the more you subscribe, share this video, whatever the fuck you want to see, you tell us next time. We'll put it down in the comments, and we'll make sure that we can do it.
आपका प्यार हमारा बजट बढ़ाता रहेगा. तो जरूर प्यार देते रहिए हमें और खबरें आती रहेगी तुम्हारी तरफ.
Thank you for watching. Ignore what he said last, and we'll see you next time.